Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: explain the concept of ServiceNow horizontal discovery patterns. How are horizontal discovery patterns utilized and what role do they play in the discovery and mapping process? Your answer should be: in ServiceNow Service Mapping, horizontal discovery patterns are templates or configurations that define how to discover and map configuration items CIs of a specific types across the IT infrastructure. Now see the points. First point, template for discovery. Horizontal discovery patterns provide a standardized template for discovering a specific type of CI, such as servers, network devices, or applications. Next point is attribute mapping. Patterns define the attributes of CIs, specifying which information needs to be collected during the discovery process. This includes details like IP addresses, software versions, and dependencies. Our next point is probe association. Patterns are associated with discovery sensors or probes that collect data about the CI. These probes are executed during the discovery process to gather relevant information. Next point is reusability. Horizontal discovery patterns are reusable configurations that can be applied to different instances of the same type of CI. This ensures consistency in the discovery process for similar components across the IT environment. Next point is customization. While ServiceNow provides a library of pre-built patterns, organizations can customize or create their own patterns to align with specific requirements or unique IT infrastructure configurations. Utilizing horizontal discovery patterns streamlines the discovery and mapping process by providing a consistent and structured approach to identifying and collecting information about similar CIs. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: what is the purpose of a CI identifier in ServiceNow Service Mapping and how is it used during the discovery process? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current valid and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: in ServiceNow Service Mapping, a CI identifier is a unique attribute or set of attributes used to identify and distinguish configuration items CIs from one another. During the discovery process, Service Mapping relies on CI identifiers to match discovered CIs with existing records in the Configuration Management Database (CMDB). This ensures accurate data population and relationship mapping. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: explain the concept of horizontal discovery and provide an example scenario where you might use it. Your answer should be: Horizontal discovery in ServiceNow service mapping focuses on discovering and mapping configuration items (CIs) at a specific level of the infrastructure, such as servers, network devices, or databases. An example scenario for using horizontal discovery could be the identification and mapping of all web servers across the organization's IT environment. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.